and I am based here in Cagayan de Oro City. For today is Saturday afternoon and we will go to the blessing and opening of yun yung showroom nila. So ngayon yung opening and the vloggers are invited to be there. And yung mga vloggers and vloggers na andan sila ngayon. So we will see kung unsay mahitabo and we will go together. So if you're interested, I hope you will stay until the end of this video. So yeah. Hello, Nana with Teresa, the loop, and wala pa nag-start. So we're just waiting for ako start event.
Go! A round of applause, please!
Dili na lang sa tabuan. Project in Uptown. So it's going to be ang iyahang murag facade sa gawas. It's going to be like a condo resort, but inside the unit is like this. So all will be 1-bedroom units, 2-bedroom units. Nataingan. Wala na tayo studio, so it's all 1-bedroom and 2-bedroom. So basically, ang ani siya.
Kailan na siya na square meter?
Kan is 30.36. But we range to 30 to 36 square meters. Dapat tayo 42 for a 2-bedroom. Upon turnover, it's a fully finished unit na siya. So, bale, ready for move-in na, si client na lang or si buyer na lang magdala furnitures. But the connection sa kuryente and tubig, it's all there na. They just need to apply lang. 15,000 itong reservation fee. Basically, this show project, which is located in Grand Europa, Lumbia. So, sunod sa among kabel, nasa mga 12 to 15. 15 years. But our equity, it's payable for 3 years. For the bank, it can go up as much as 15 years.
So sa present project ninyo is at
Yes po, yes po. This is still pre-selling. So, ang among pag-develop ani sa mid-rise building, more or less 3 years ang pag-development. Mid-rise pa na.
How many units do you have dito sa inyo?
Kuan ma'am, naan siya sa mga 113 or basically as initial 95 units for our first building. But we will be adding up 6th and 7th floors. So 7th floors na siya total.
Until when inyong pre-selling na?
Kuan ma'am, basically by the end of this year because we will be developing it now by this year.
Kasi lang
Marketing lang po. Kindly contact our hotline, kinatawagan na company phone 0917-810-2445. So muna siya mga digits. So you can call for any inquiries. 8%. So we are now pre-selling our second building, which will be soon to be developed. So, nag-groundbreaking namin sa among second building last February. So, basically, by third quarter or fourth quarter of this year, we will develop the groundworks for the second building. We actually offer our lifestyle amenities. As you can see, natin all home across. That's actually part of our package here. All home coffee project with my day. And soon we will develop sa ground floor po here, our all-day supermarket. Sa Uptown, that is still to be discussed, but we will be developing commercial yapon inside our Grand Europa.
Sa kadugay mo ng construction dito sa uptown.
Sa uptown, it takes about 3 years na development since it's mid-rise. Basta kami nga like yung high-rise, it usually takes 3 to 5 years because we need to build the foundation. High-rise ng 25 floors. As advised by our production team, by this year, it will commence.
After sa pag-opening sa sa The Loop showroom, we proceed here sa coffee project.
Nandito na yung all home, nandito na ang coffee project, and more to come, no? This would be a full-fledged commercial complex. So that's what Vista Land is, no? Hindi tayo the condo or the house and lot alone. So we are an integrated property developer, and in fact, we are the Philippines' largest home builder. Alright, so Philippines' largest home builder. No? We're the biggest. No, of course, all developers will be claiming that they are the biggest, but we are the biggest in terms of total units built and sold, house and lot and condominiums combined. We have built close to 500,000 homes. No, so more than 400,000 homes. Of course, our track record. We've been in the industry for more than 40 years. No, more than 40 years. So we have Crown Asia for upscale, Brittany for high-end. Nakita niyo yung development kanina na maraming pine trees. That one is in Tagaytay.
Hi guys, we are already done, and yes, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.